Alright, today I'm going to do a BBSO2 mid-drive motor from Lunicycle install on a GT Aggressor from Dick's Sporting Goods. With my kit, I got the standard 48 tooth chain ring and the twist throttle with it. A 52 volt 13.5 amp hour battery and the upgraded display. Alright, first we're going to go over to the bike and remove the grips. Alright, I just squirt a little bit of dish soap down in there. Dish soap and water, and you can work it down a little bit more. Oops, that one's off too. Alright, so after the brake levers are removed, we are going to remove the front derailleur because we will not be using that anymore. The Bafang Lunicycle BBSO2 comes with its own chain ring and it's just one. Then we're going to disconnect the cable from the bottom of the derailleur. The derailleur moved, and we can now slide it off and pull the entire cable from the bike. I'm gonna have to remove this end cap and this sleeve because the bottom of the bike will not go through this bottom little bracket. Go ahead and take the seat off to get it out of the way. Next thing we're going to do is remove our pedals. Two pedals. After that, we're going to remove our crank arms. There you go, your bottom bracket is removed. All right, we'll go ahead and install the motor into the bottom bracket. Just slides right in. Then you're going to need your motor bracket. And if you have a 63 millimeter bottom bracket, these small screws. If you have a 73 millimeter bottom bracket, you have to use the long screws with the spacers. I could not get the extra spacer off these little screws, so I just added an extra washer. The ridges go toward the bicycle. The ridges go toward the frame. Okay, and then your lock ring is a curved edge and a flat edge. The flat edge goes toward the bicycle. Toy. Alright, now you have a cover cap. If you have a 73 millimeter bracket, it will barely fit onto the threads, and you can really only do it finger tight, or you will strip it out. It is only made out of aluminum. It is more decorative than anything. Both of those are on. You can tighten down your bottom bracket or your motor mount bracket. Motor is installed. Alright, next we're going to install the gear shift sensor. To do this, we're going to have to cut a piece of the sheathing off because this goes right here. We'll just probably cut it in half and give it a little bit of extra length because I put a little bit of a riser on the bars, so I could probably handle that. So I'll just cut it in half and feed it through here. So we're gonna have to take this cable out. It's already fraying on the end, so it's gonna be kind of a pain to get through there, but we'll just go ahead and give it a try and see what happens. Remove the cable from the derailleur. There we go. Alrighty, now the cable is through there. I have to feed it through the actual gear sensor. Alright, we got the wiring harness attached. We're just going to feed it through this little hole in this back bracket here. Alright, we'll go ahead and put the display on the bicycle. Too big a deal. Let's hook the brakes back up to the new electronic cutoff brakes. Easy enough, just slip the cables in. All these are pretty much color coded, so you can't plug them into the wrong spots. Green is for the display, the long yellow one is for throttle, and the two short yellow ones are for the brakes. Apply dielectric grease to all these after I have it all hooked up and make sure everything is routed correctly. Wiring harness is connected, everything else is connected. And the speed sensor goes on the back wheel. Stick it about right here. It must be about 1 millimeter away from this magnet right here, which attaches to the spoke. Pedals installed. Alright. Power cable clips into these little things right here, and you crimp them down. Put some rubber grommets on there. Power cable is done. I'm going to install the battery mount. We're just going to connect it right where the old drink thing is. We got it. Should be ready to ride.
Neat.